Be careful unpacking the wheel, taking extra precaution to avoid impacting the brake disc. Hitting or applying unwanted weight to the disc could lead to brake disc deformation, rendering correct operation of the brake system impossible. In the lower fork part, where dropouts are located, you will find 4 screws, 2 screws on each side. They will be used to affix the front wheel hub axle. Before you remove the 4 screws, remove one of the 2 axle caps. After that, proceed to unscrew the 4 dropout screws, making 6 full turns, and remove the axle. Use a number 5 hexagon to unscrew the screws. Remove the transport cap between the brake caliper pads before proceeding with the wheel installation. Place the front wheel in the fork so that the brake disc is located between the 2 brake pads. After placing the wheel, insert the axle all the way, twist the counterpart of the axle, and then clamp the 4 screws on the fork legs.